At 8,611 meters, K2 is the second highest mountain on Earth, and by many measures, the most dangerous. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step, from anywhere in the world. Your journey starts before you even pack a bag. Head to the official government of Pakistan visa portal, select tourist visa, upload your passport photo and travel plan, and most applicants receive their visa within just a few days. Cost: between $35 and $100 USD. International travelers arrive in Islamabad International Airport. The capital is your launch pad into Pakistan's legendary north. Take a day or two to rest and acclimatize before the next leg. To reach K2's domain, you must get to Skardu. You have two options. Option A: fly. Pakistan International Airlines connects Islamabad to Skardu in roughly 1 hour. On a clear day, this is one of the most breathtaking flights on the planet. Option B: drive the legendary Karakoram Highway. It's 18 to 24 hours by road, but the scenery is absolutely unreal. In Skardu, hire a reputable trekking operator. Companies like Adventure Tours Pakistan or Vertical Explorers Pakistan are well established. They handle everything: trekking permits, porters, food, camping equipment, and experienced local guides. This is not a trek to attempt alone. From Skardu, a 126-kilometer jeep ride through raw mountain terrain takes you to Skardu, the last village before the glacier. Allow 6 to 8 hours. Stock up, charge your devices, and say goodbye to reliable connectivity. And now, the real journey begins. From Skardu, you trek the Baltoro Glacier, one of the longest glaciers outside the polar regions. Your route: Skardu, Jula, Payu or Dukas, Goro 2, and then Concordia, the throne room of the mountain gods, where K2 finally reveals itself in full. From there, one final push to base camp. When should you go? According to the Gilgit-Baltistan Tourism Department, the safe trekking window is June through September. The weather is stable, passes are open, and the views are clear. Outside this window, conditions become genuinely life-threatening. Here's the honest cost breakdown. Visa: $35 to $100. Your flight from Islamabad to Skardu: $80 to $150.